Welcome back to Central New York's Open House. Well, today we're here at a home in Ilion. It's the home of Lee and Nancy Watkins. They are the first recipient of the New York Sash campaign, Shower for a Soldier. We came up with an idea of how we can give back to our veterans community. And through our type of product, we want to help someone with a new bathroom. So that's exactly what we did here at this home. Nancy nominated her husband Lee because he was struggling a little bit with some mobility issues.
I was kind of shell-shocked. I didn't get it, I don't think at first, that we had actually won. I thought you were just calling to get some more information, and then when I realized that we won, I was very surprised.
It'll be a lot easier to jump in and out. I won't have to worry about tripping over the side.
So if you remember the old system that we had here before, we had a tub, we had an old surround, it was hard to get in and out of, and someone with mobility issues is really going to struggle with that day-to-day bathing activity. So the next step was to have Nancy and Lee stop out to the showroom at New York Sash. This way we could work with them on specifics, what the walls are going to look like, what the shower colors are, the different types of hardware that they're going to use in the system, and we were able to sit down and design that right at the showroom and get that product ordered and get ready for the installation. And at that point, once all of the product was in, we came back to this home in Ilion and we completely removed all of the old and started replacing it with our new New York Sash brand products. And what we were able to install here at this home was to take out that old tub and install a new shower pan, so it's much easier to get in and out. We put a seat in that shower area with a series of grab bars so that you can get up and down, in and out of the shower with ease. We removed the old wall system and we put in a Midnight Storm acrylic wall system, and then all of the fixtures are done in brushed nickel, and then a semi-frameless door. This makes it much easier to get in and out of the shower and take care of that day-to-day bathing.
Installer was wonderful, came in, laid everything down so he didn't, make a mess on the floors, whatever, went right to work. All by himself, demolished it, got it, and he was just excellent, just an excellent worker.
I mean, he went out of his way to keep the house clean, picked everything up clean when he left, did an excellent job on the shower, leveled everything, which is pretty hard to do in this house. Makes the room look huge. A lot bigger than it was, and plus it's a lot easier for me. There's no stepping over a tub or anything like that, it's just walking into it.
I don't worry if he's going to fall. He's got the handbars to hold on to. He doesn't have to step over the edge of the tub. It gives him more room. He's got the seat, so just makes it much easier for him.
So if you're having some of these same challenges in your bathroom and you need more accessibility to this space, stop down to the showroom located at 349 Oriskany Boulevard in Whitesboro. We can go over all of the different options that we have available with our New York Sash bathroom system. We're so very proud of our Shower for a Soldier campaign, and we're excited to another recipient next year.